Hey guys and gals, my name is Taylor Davis,
I'm Taylor Phelps.
and we just wanted to welcome you to New Orleans and give you a little virtual tour of some of the clinical sites we have here at LSU.
So we're a couple of the residents here at LSU, and to give a little introduction, we have a few different clinical sites. We're here in New Orleans. We have a site in Baton Rouge, Lafayette, and Bogalusa, Louisiana. And as you see, we have lots of great attendings, lots of great sites, and we'll give you a little tour of a few of them.
So, I mean, everything's pretty centrally located here in New Orleans. About a mile, 1.5 miles this way, you have the French Quarter, Bourbon Street, everyone knows what that is. And about half a mile this way, or a quarter of a mile, this is where one of our main sites is, where we do our grand rounds and have all of our clinical and didactic lectures. So, you know, you can park there, walk to this hospital. This is University Medical Center, and we'll give you a tour a little bit inside. All right? All right, let's mask up. All right. Well, this is the main entrance to University Medical Center. This hospital was in the billions of dollars to build, and 1% of all that money went to art. So as you can see behind you, this is just some of the...
This is kind of a walk through time through different decades in New Orleans, starting all the way back into the early 1700s. And one of the big draws of the city is there are tons of fun things to do. So when you're busy in residency, which is often, it's very nice when you do have time off to have the options to go do things, whether that's concerts, sporting events, festivals, great restaurants.
So this is the third floor of the UMC eye clinic, and as you can see, everything is pretty nice and brand new. All the equipment, all the machines, all the slit lamps are new. They were built within the past 10 years, okay? So come on in, I'll show you an example of the room.
Honestly, the nicest hospital I've ever been in, so, you know, that's an advantage. And one good thing too here at most of our sites is like having great techs really helps. And here they refract and they do all of those things before you even see the patient. So that really helps you focus on the training that you need as an ophthalmologist, an ophthalmology resident, you know, to do other things as well. So, you know, it's great to have good techs. We have great techs here, so that's a big plus.
In all the rooms also, they all have pachymetry and tonopens and applanators and pretty much everything you need, and lensometers, as you see over here. Just all of the awesome equipment in each room, so you're never going to be scrambling to try to find equipment that you need. Okay, over here I'll show you a little bit. This is the view that we have, which is amazing. The VA is located right next door. The VA not only is more new than this building, but they have even nicer equipment. Here's the VA right across the street, so super easy to get to and from the VA. If you don't like the food at the VA, for instance, you can walk to the UMC cafeteria. So you have one rotation here, first, second, and third year at the VA for 8 weeks. Here's where we work.
One of our great attendings, Dr. Al Jaley over there. And one of our residents.
Okay. All right. Okay. Follow me. In here we have a fundus camera, okay, where we can take fundus photos, external photos right here. In this room over here, we have our B-scan. And then in another room, we have our IOL Master 700. So, like we're saying, all new equipment, some of the very best. We also do minor procedures and lasers here. So that's located in the back near the that big window room where we work on our computers. Behind us, we have the University Medical Center optical shop. We're located on the third floor of the clinic, and we can send our patients down here for glasses. Dr. Ta is a great optometrist who does all the glass fittings and contact lens fittings here. And it's a really beautiful store and right next to the cafeteria, which actually has really good food. Great sandwiches, and they have a couple of big chain restaurants that are coming in here.
Fantastic hospital food in Louisiana, so you have that to look forward to.